Malacanang says the government is ready to defend its proposed national budget for next year. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes stressed this in the wake of reports that new Senator Nancy Binay intends to scrutinize the outlays for the Departments of Interior and Local Government and Social Welfare and Development. According to USEC, Valter, the heads of both departments will be able to explain their budgets, especially that of the Conditional Cash Transfer Program.
Handa naman po yung mga ahensya natin at yung mga proponents ng mga programa natin na ipagtanggol po yung budget ng kanilang department. Lalo po yung sa CCT, there is a joint Congressional Oversight Committee that the DSWD reports to on a very regular basis about the disbursements of the budget of the CCT. In the same way that we have submitted, we always submit to that, lagi pong magiging handa yung ating mga kalihim at yung yung aming mga kasamahan para sumagot po ng mga tanong tungkol ho doon sa mga proposed budget natin sa Kongreso.